Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank or your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, and we've got a showdown between two titans: the ComGrow official Creality Ender 3 and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a 3D printing roller coaster. Alright, let's kick things off with the most crucial factor: price. Ender 3 is priced at a humble $232, making it a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, Neptune 4 Plus comes in at $599 for those who are willing to invest more for extra features. So if your wallet is feeling a little light, Ender 3's got your back. But if you're rolling in dough and want to impress your neighbors, Neptune 4 Plus might just be your new best friend. Next up, let's talk build volume. Ender 3 offers a respectable build area of 8.66 inches x 8.66 inches x 9.84. Meanwhile, Neptune 4 Plus boasts a massive 12.59 x 12.59 inches x 15.15 inches build volume. If you're planning on printing large projects, Neptune 4 Plus is the way to go. For more modest projects, Ender 3 will do just fine. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're talking speed now. Ender 3 is reliable with decent speeds, but Neptune 4 Plus is a speed demon, boasting speeds up to 500 millimeters per second. Reviewers praise Neptune 4 Plus for its speed, calling it lightning fast. If you're in a hurry to print your latest masterpiece, Neptune 4 Plus will have it done in no time. Now, let's delve into the extruder technology. Ender 3 features an upgraded extruder that reduces plugging risks, which reviewers appreciate for its reliability. Neptune 4 Plus, however, comes with a dual-gear direct drive extruder, praised for its efficiency and precision. So whether you want a no-fuss printing experience or the Rolls-Royce of extruders, you know which one to pick. Let's not forget the extra goodies. Ender 3 has a resume printing function, making it a reliable friend who remembers where you left off. On the other hand, Neptune 4 Plus is packed with features like a high-temp nozzle, efficient cooling, and multiple connection options. Reviewers love the versatility of Neptune 4 Plus, calling it feature-packed. So if you're a tech geek who loves all the bells and whistles, Neptune 4 Plus is calling your name. Reviewers find the Ender 3 to be a reliable and beginner-friendly option, with suggestions for minor upgrades to enhance performance. On the other hand, Neptune 4 Plus is praised for its speed and feature set, though it requires more hands-on maintenance and is better suited for advanced users. So there you have it, folks. The Ender 3 is your go-to for budget-friendly, reliable printing, while Neptune 4 Plus is the speed demon with all the extra perks. Which one's right for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.